Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. So this is fall look number 2. Yes. So in this look, I wanted to go for very warm, illuminated makeup look. And I have a very soft golden, kind of smoked out eye with dramatic lashes. I didn't know they were gonna be this dramatic, but it kind of works. And very glowy, healthy looking skin, peachy cheeks, and a nice warm, I would say like this is a very light pumpkin color on the lips. I really like the way that this look came out, and it came out exactly how I pictured it. I used both my Naked Heat palette and also my Golden State of Mind, which is by ColourPop. This one, I don't know if you guys have seen it before, but this is what it looks like. These beautiful glittery metallic colors that are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, honestly, how pretty is this? And it's super affordable. I love it so much. If you can get your hands on this palette, I definitely suggest that you do. Anyway, if you do like how this looks and you want to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. For my eyeshadow base, I'm using NYX or NYX. And this is what it looks like. It's a flesh tone color. I'm just going to grab that and put that all over my eyelid area. And before I apply any of the eyeshadow, I do like to let this sink into the skin and set. Going into my Naked Heat palette, I'm taking the color Chaser right here with an E40 brush by Sigma. I'm just going to brush this into the crease and a little bit higher than the crease. This will be a transition color. It's a very, very soft color that I absolutely love. So it just gives a bit of a shadow, a very, very soft shadow to the eye. I'm going to take a MAC 221 brush, getting the same color, and I'm just going to concentrate that just a little bit more into the crease, right into the socket of the eye. Sauced will be my next color. Dip my brush, and I'm going to apply that into the outer corner, the outer V, which is literally like a sideways V right here. Take your time blending as well. Milani's Shadow Eye Stick in Golden Bronze. It's just a creamy stick. I'm going to put that as a bit of a colored base on my lid for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply in just a little bit. After I've applied a shadow stick, I always like to kind of tap it in and blend it. Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. And the color that I'm using is called Drizzle, which is right here. I'm taking my ring finger because when I apply on with a brush, there tends to be a lot of fallout because these eyeshadows are chunky. So with my finger, I can ensure that most of the pigment is going to stay on my finger and get packed onto my eyelid. I'm taking Golden Egg, which is the color right above it, with my pinky. I'm just going to press that into the inner corner of my eye. Going back into the Naked palette, I'm taking Ounce, and I'm going to take the brush that it comes with and apply that onto my brow bone. I'm going to take some of it and also put it into the inner corner as well. So I've already lined my eyes with the Schwing Liquid Liner by The Balm and also their Mr. Right black eyeliner. I applied lashes that are kind of dramatic, definitely, that they're by Ardell, and they're the Adore collection, and they're in Ariana. I'm going to apply mascara. This is Essence I Heart Extreme Mascara, and I'm just gonna be generous with it. This is my first time using this mascara, so we'll see how I like it. I'm applying Too Faced Hangover X primer, and I just got this primer not too long ago, and I actually do like it. It's more of like a lotiony feel. But I like to apply that to the center of my face and then just moving it outward. This is a little sample size of the CC Cream by IT Cosmetics. Urban Decay's Light Warm Concealer. Which is pretty light. This is serious warrior paint right here. The brush that I use is by IT Cosmetics, and it is a number 7 Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection brush. I used the foundation side as opposed to concealer side because concealer side was just way too small for this, so it really helped blend this out like a dream. I'm going in with its Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. The translucent powder. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes with this e.l.f. brush. Okay, don't judge me, but this is the bronzer I'm going to use. It's by IT Cosmetics as well, and it's their Sunshine in a Compact Warmth Bronzer. And this has been used and abused, honey. This is Makeup Geek's Bliss Blush, and I'm taking some, applying it to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to take In Nude Endo by ColourPop again, and I'm going to use the 2 colors that we used in the last video on the loose and fine line, because I really like that combination. This is on the loose. I've done my eyebrows with my Benefit Browsings, and it's a powder and gel combo. I really like it. I'm now going to apply eyeshadow to my lower lash line. So I'm taking with this a small eyeshadow brush, chaser, sorry, and working that along the bottom, just a little bit, and then Sauce will be my next. Finish it off with mascara. Now for my lips, I'm taking Urban Decay's Glide On Eye Pencil in Torch, and also their Vice lipstick in Fuel 2.0. For those who have been following me on Instagram, you know that this is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks from Urban Decay. Now the lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know. And I'm gonna go because my camera's about to die. But I love you guys. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.